Hi guys, today I want to show you a quick tip on how to find a job on Indeed with no experience, nothing. Let's say you want to break into an industry, you want to be an accountant, you want to be a plumber, you want to be an analyst, what have you, but you don't have any experience in it. And it's always a catch-22. How do you gain experience if you don't have experience? I want to ask for experience, but it's not true. On Indeed, you can find a lot of roles that don't have experience. So let's say this is the Indeed homepage. Let's say you're on the homepage and you search for, you're in my locality, but let's say you are located in Chicago, and then you search for an analyst. You want to be an analyst, but you don't have any experience. And there's a quick way to do that right here on Indeed. You go right here and you click no experience required. So there's 8 roles that don't require any experience on Indeed. Boom, here they are. Now you could change your locality. Let's say you're in Philadelphia. You click search in Philadelphia, and then you click experience level, no experience required. There's 11 roles in Philadelphia that require 0 experience within 50 miles to be an analyst. Let's say you want to be an accountant in Philadelphia with no experience. You click on experience level, no experience required. Boom, there's 3 roles where you could be an accountant with no experience. I hope this helped you. I hope this gave you faith that there are roles out there that don't require experience, and then you actually have experience, and then you could apply for roles that are more money. My advice to you when you're applying for roles with no experience is be open to lower salary than your competition, because then you could beat your competition because you'll be cheaper than your competition. So be open for roles that are lower salary, and then you'll be able to get these roles with no experience, and then you'll be successful because then you'll have experience and you could apply for roles that have a higher salary too. I hope this helped you, and stay tuned for our next video.